Meet the bearded vulture, one of the most hardcore birds on Earth. Soaring high above mountains from Europe to Asia, this powerful raptor looks almost mythical. With its massive wingspan, fiery orange chest, and beard-like feathers under its beak. But what really makes it legendary is its diet. While most vultures fight over meat, the bearded vulture goes for the leftovers. Bones. Up to 90% of its diet is made of bone. Here's the wild part. When a bone is too big to swallow, the vulture carries it thousands of feet into the air, then drops it onto rocks below, shattering it into edible pieces. Nature's own bone breaker. Their stomach acid is so strong, it can dissolve solid bone in hours. And that orange color? It's not natural. They stain their feathers in iron-rich mud, possibly to show dominance. Ancient, powerful, and a true specialist of the skies. The bearded vulture proves survival sometimes means playing by your own rules. If you love discovering the wildest animals on Earth, hit subscribe and follow for more insane wildlife facts every week.